Willow, Brook, Apiary, and Homestead. Happy bees, healthy honey. In this video, we're going to be opening up what is labeled as Hive 1C. We're actually going to be relabeling it also because this hive is a split from 2E, where we checked in the last video to see what our mite count was, and we determined we were 4 mites per 100 bees. So hive 2E is now got a split in here. We have a queen cell that was capped in here, and she should have hatched out, gone out, mated, returned, and started laying eggs. So we're just going to do a little bit of smoke here. It's a lot easier working a nucleus hive. A lot of beekeepers like nucleus hives because there's a lot fewer bees in them. There's only a total of 5 frames here, and last time I was in here they were only working 4 frames of brood. So we don't even need to find the queen. All we need to look for is their eggs. If there are eggs, and they're a single egg per cell, there's a very good chance that we have a queen right nucleus hive, which can then either become a resource for our other remaining hives, or it can become its own separate hive if we move it into an 8-frame box or a 10-frame box. Or we could choose to just leave it. This hive did overwinter, made it through all the way to spring as just a nucleus colony, and I would like to see that as a possible way of overwintering our hives. Starting to lose light, which is going to make it difficult to see the eggs if there are eggs in here, so we'll have to look very carefully. We still have drones, so that's good.
A lot of stuff on the other side. There's a queen cell.
Yeah, but it doesn't look like any of these queen cells are capped. So where we're hoping to open up and find a queen laying eggs, what I'm seeing instead is the signs of a dwindling hive. Alright, this would be a failed split. Fairly confident in saying that already. But let's just check the last one. Heavy with nectar and honey, and a failed split. So there's a couple different things we could do here. I could reach out to my brother Micah and see if he would be willing to ship a queen. Or we could let it just continue to pull honey for us. Or we can recombine it with the original hive it came from. In any case, not what we were hoping today, but such is beekeeping sometimes. Willow, Brook, Apiary, and Homestead, happy bees, healthy honey. God bless.